I think only in Manitoba would we be thinking of floods and flood preparation. The week after we hit wind chills as high as -50.
Manitobans should brace themselves this spring for a flood that will likely resemble the significant one that we had here 2 years ago.
That 1 in 10 chance of very unfavorable conditions today occurring is something that we have to plan for. So we plan for the 1 in 10 possibility, and then we see what the conditions are when the spring comes and what we have to do to respond to them.
While the focus of spring flooding in Manitoba is normally on the Red River every year, officials say this year the flooding could extend all over the province, including the Red, here on the Assiniboine, as well as places like the Winnipeg River and the Pembina River.
The 2011 spring flood potential is high for much of Manitoba, including the Red River, the Souris River, Pembina River, Assiniboine River, Winnipeg River, Saskatchewan River, Fisher River, and the Interlake region.
Depending on the weather over the next 2 months, the Red River Valley could experience anything from a minor event where the river barely spills its banks to a flood similar to that of 1997, which was termed the flood of the century.
With average weather conditions along the Red River, a flood of the size of 2009 is anticipated, while unfavorable weather conditions could result in a flood similar to those of 1997 levels.
Officials said each of those extremes has about a 10% chance of occurring, while the likeliest scenario is a flood similar in size to that of 2009.
When we have predictable spring flooding, as this outlook is showing us, we turn the volume up on that system.
For the Winnipeg Sun, I'm Paul Turen.